Hey guys, it's me again, and we're back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a bun hawk style, and I'm doing this on an old twist out. My hair was in twist for like a week and a half, and I went to try the style, so I'm just going to comb this out. Don't mind my hair, it is dirty, it needs to be washed, so I just want to do this, add gel to it, so I can wash it out later without having to wash it and gel it down and all that other stuff. So now I'm picking out my hair. You'll see me pull my hair from like the end to the root to try to stretch it a little bit before I comb it out so it won't hurt. It may look like it hurts, but it doesn't. So enjoy me combing out my hair and me struggling. So now my hair is all combed out. I will have a little bit of shedding. That's natural when I'm combing out my hair, and it just came out of the style, so no worries about that. So now I'm going to take my scrunchie and I'm going to kind of put my hair in a ponytail. It's not going to be neat or anything. This is just to get my hair out of the way when I part, and that just helps me. And I am going to be using ties or hair holders or whatever you call them. I call them hair ties. So now I'm taking a comb. It's a rather small comb, and I'm parting the back. And you see I have my mirror in front of me because I'm trying to see what I'm doing. The parts are not going to be perfect, but I just try to part and then straighten up after. So if you're wondering, like, girl, what are you doing? Trust me, I'm coming around the mountain when I come. I just need to get a foundation and then I'll fix up the parts. And also guys, after each section that I do, I go ahead and rubber band it because my hair is rather short. So if I don't pull it out of the way, it'll get into the other sections and I have to repart. So now I'm at the front part of my head. What I would recommend you guys do is take a scrunchie or a hair tie and kind of gather a little bit of a section up at the front so it'll help you see easier when you part. This helped me, especially if you have thick hair, because it's really hard to see. And then for me, my glasses fall and it's just a mess. So this is just the easiest way for me to do it. And also guys, don't roast me on my faces. I'm working on it. When I do my hair, I am so serious because I'm trying to get the parts. I be frustrated, I be hot. It'd be a lot going on. So just forgive my faces for now. I'm going to get better at it. So I finished my parting. Now it's onto the gelling. Today I'm going to be using the Got To Be Glued. I started off using Gorilla Snot, the yellow one, but I wasn't really feeling it at all. It just was not doing my hair well, so I went back to the edge booster and then I used the Got to Be Glued. If you watched my previous video, you'll see how I did this. I put the edge booster on first to give me kind of a foundation, and then I go with the Got to Be Glued for the finish slick. So remember when I told y'all to ignore my faces? This is now the time because I'm trying to put my hair in a ponytail and it's going to get real. But this brush is by far the best brush I've used to slick my hair. I don't know why I've used other brushes, but when I discovered this, I was like, wow, so that's what they do in their videos. I like it. I love it. And also, guys, in this next clip, you're going to see that I have a towel. This gel can get sticky, so make sure you have something to wipe your hands off because your hair can get stuck and this becomes a mess. So just have something, a towel or a paper towel that could just wipe your hands and continue. So as you can see, I'm on my last section. Finally, I was so relieved. But we have a little problem. One of my hairs came out, which is expected because my hair is short. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take some more Got To Be Glued gel, and I'm going to slick it there and then take my small comb and kind of press it into that part so it'll stay. And this is everything finished. My parts aren't perfect, but they're reasonable because the buns kind of cover up the parts you see in the middle, which is fine. And then we're going to move on to some edge work. So you guys, as we become friends, y'all gonna learn that I do not know how to dance at all, but that's okay. Anyways, today I'm going to be using the Edge Fixer Glue by Kiss. And you guys, don't wear your edges like this, please, I beg you. I see some people do that, it's not healthy. But anyways, I am going to be swooping my adult hairs. I do not have baby hairs, and I'm going to make a separate video on that, of how I do my edges and the whole process in real time. It can be very tedious at first and frustrating because you have to rearrange, fix, and you have to find a good edge control, but we'll cover that later. So you guys, I am done with my edges. This is what I have after struggling, but that's okay. Now I'm just going to take my scarf and tie my hair down because I'm going to sleep overnight. And I always use 2 scarves because I sweat in my sleep sometimes and I get hot. And I feel like the second scarf prevents that satin scarf from falling off, which would be horrible if you woke up in the morning and your scarf was not on. Trust me, I know. So it is the next morning, and I am unwrapping my hair, and we're gonna see how this looks after I slept on it overnight. And it looks good. I gotta fix my curly pieces, but we'll get to that in a minute. To fix my little side hairs that I want to keep out, I'm using the Eco Styler Gold Gel and just retwisting it. So today I'm going to be using the Cuban Twist. It's kinky hair, Marley hair. It works really well with my texture, and I'm just going to split it in half. And I'm not going to rubber band it or anything. I'm just going to knot it around my hair, just make a little loop. And this is easier for me when I take it out, to be honest, because all I'm doing is like untying it. Tying it sounds like really bad, but literally it's less stress on my head. So now I'm wrapping my bun, and I'm going to tell you guys the easiest way to get all your buns to look alike. They're probably not going to, but to look similar is to wrap them in the same way and have a shape that you're going for. So you'll see me probably later in the video messing with the front of my bun because the rest in the back were like really circular, and this was like a ninja bun almost. So I was trying to fix it to look the same or similar so the bun hop can look really nice. So I'm going to repeat the process for the 3 other buns, and I hope you enjoy watching this. You'll see me messing with it, adding bobby pins, and just trying to get it to look as nice and neat as possible. Okay guys, so the bun that is closest to your neck or your last bun, uh, I added less hair. So instead of like 4 strands, I took like 2 or 3, I think. And this is just because I don't want like the bun touching my neck, because that can be really irritating. And I wrap it really tight, so it is not bulky at the back. And also what you'll see me doing is I'm holding the bun as I'm twisting the hair around, so my hair doesn't twist, because that's how you get pain, and I'm not with that at all. I used to be able to do super tight hairstyles. I can't anymore, so I have to improvise. So you guys, this is going to be the final look. I was real happy with how it turned out. It looked really good to me. I did my sideburns as I always do. It's up to you if you want to do it. It's optional. And I know you see my little baby dread in the back that's trying to dread up. And here's a couple looks that I did. And I was trying to give you beach vibes with the sunglasses, because we can't go anywhere right now because we're quarantined. But that's all right.